All right, probably since most of you who watch on YouTube aren't going to be able to make it here for our private soft opening for the new Herbal-Tique at Ozarks Church of Nature and Magical Food Forest. Okay, it's maybe not finished, but I'd rather be finished. Oops, we missed the sign. I'd rather be finished than done, right? So one-stop shop, kids' toys, herbs, supplements, teas, jewelry, Turkish lamps, crystals, stickers, bags. Look at these cool gemstone carved bottles. Yes, they can be filled with essential oils if you like. This site's myteressence.net. Turkish rugs, Turkish coin purses. Look at all these cool books. By the way, there's much more to come. Oh, hey, Froggy. And all these cool handmade instruments from around the world, literally. African thumb pianos, maracas. Oh my gosh, love's all we need. Who cares, right? Okay, all these beautiful clothes, silk scarves, cotton scarves, handmade scrunchies. Look at all these bracelets, all sorts of copper. Okay, clothes, hemp hats, herbs, salts, vinegars, deodorant, salves, balms, creams, tinctures, anything you can think of. Immunoline, Nervaline, smudge bowls, mortar pestle, jewelry boxes, whatever, gemstones, photos, lotion, shampoo, incense, crystals, Palo Santo, smudge sticks, smudge candles, chopsticks, everything, photos, merch. We got merch, we got t-shirts, we got hoodies, hats, more to come. Like I said, I'd rather be done than finished or perfect, but almost there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. Oh, look. And who can play cards without the 52 farts? Come on, right? And you can learn. Cool cards, hams of soaps. Can't get any fresher than this. Yeah. All right. Wish you were here. His keys are bottle openers. Yeah, do what makes your soul shine. Follow your heart, always. And never give up. I'm sure we're going to have to change it around a little bit as more merch comes in. But, yeah, we got this.